purchase 120 ears of corn at the farmer's market. The ears of corn are divided evenly into 5 bushels. How many ears of corn are in each bushel? Okay, for your prove it, you need to make sure you set it up like this. 5 will go into 120. Do your division and figure out your answer, and then fill in what bubble is your answer. Number 2, there are 68 players attending the baseball training camp. If the players are divided into groups of 4, how many groups are there? Here's how it's going to set up. 4, and there's 68 players. Do your division and figure out your answer. Number 3, in 3 hours, Darla read 63 pages. If she read the same number of pages each hour, how many pages did Darla read in 1 hour? Okay, so here's how you set it up. 3 and 63. Figure out how many pages she read in 1 hour. Whoops. Number 4, a grocery store has 240 juice drinks on its shelves. The juice drinks are in packs of 6 each. How many packs are there altogether? This is how you set it up. Find your answer. Number 5, there are 375 students in attendance at the summer camp. The students are divided equally into groups of 5. How many groups are there? Okay, that's how many are in each group, and there's that many students, 375. So set your equation up like that and solve. Number 6, Brandon has a cabinet with 4 shelves. The cabinet can hold 1,600 CDs. If the shelves hold the same number of CDs, how many CDs does each shelf hold? Okay, so 4 shelves will go into 1,600. Find the answer. Number 7. Carrie has 56 seashells in her collection. The store has seashells in display cases that hold 8 seashells per case. How many display cases are filled with seashells? 8 display cases, and then we have 56 seashells. Find the answer. Number 8. Sam spent $24 on lunch for himself and his friends. The price of each item is shown in the table below. If he bought twice as many drinks as sandwiches, how many of each item did he buy? This is very important. Twice as many. Okay, sandwiches are $4, drinks are $2. So you need to do a guess and check where you figure out what each one costs. This is twice as many drinks as sandwiches. Sandwiches, 2 times 4 equals 8. And then 4 drinks are $2 times 2 equals 8. So this is a total of $16. $16, but we need $24. So this one is not it. That's what you need to do, is you need to figure out the cost of each one and make sure you get $24 and twice as many drinks. Number 9, Jackie counts 28 legs on 8 animals. So 28 legs and 8 animals. If the animals are either zebras, which have 4 legs, or peacocks, which have 2, how many zebras are there? Okay, so you need a total of 8 animals. 8 animals, and you need 28 legs. So what you do is you just guess. Well, If I had 4 zebras, they know that a zebra has 4 legs. 4 times 4 would equal 16 legs. Now, if I have 4, but I need 8 animals, that would mean I'd have 4 peacocks. And peacocks have 2 legs. That would equal 8. Then I can add 16 and 8 together. 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 24. And that is way too many legs. So I know it is definitely not going to be A. Then you got to figure out your whole thing all over again. So take each number, plug it in, and figure out which one of these would equal 28 legs and 8 animals. Number 10. There are 150 people seated in the theater for a play. There are 5 rows in the theater, for each with the same number of seats. If the auditorium is completely filled, how many seats are in each row? So 5 rows and 150 people. Go ahead and figure out your math. Number 11, Rita biked 75 miles in 3 weeks. If she biked the same number of miles every week, how many miles did she bike each week? Okay, 3 weeks and into 75. Number 12, a bakery owner needs 30 ounces of vanilla. How many 6-ounce bottles of vanilla must the owner buy? So this is what she needs, and this is what they come in as 6 ounces. So you need to figure out how many she's going to need for her recipe. All right, make sure you have worked all your work on your Prove It page and turn your test in.